Welcome back to the Camp Nou Vision. And in today's video, once again, we're taking a full walk around the stadium to see the latest construction progress. Over the past few days, we've been seeing steady development across multiple areas, especially around the compression ring and structural sections. Today, we'll be focusing on the key updates, including new installed elements, ongoing work, and areas getting ready for the next phase. So let's get started and see what's changed today. Starting at the south corner, we can see active concrete operations in progress. 2 concrete pump setups are positioned in this area. One pump is currently idle despite being connected to a mixer, while the second pump is ready in position, likely waiting for a concrete delivery to begin pouring. Above this zone, workers are using elevated platforms to carry out tasks on upper structural beams. The activity suggests ongoing reinforcement or alignment work on key load-bearing elements. Nearby, crane movement is visible, indicating continuous material handling in this sector. Although activity is present, there are no major newly completed structures here today. However, the consistent equipment positioning and worker presence confirm that this area remains actively under development. Moving along the lateral side, we reach one of the most important update zones, the compression ring. Here, 2 newly installed phalanges are clearly visible in the corner section. These were not present previously. In addition, a new radial beam has been placed, further strengthening the structural framework of the ring. Another phalange has also been added since the last update, bringing the total count to approximately 20 installed segments. This steady installation rate highlights strong progress in completing the compression ring. Material logistics are also well synchronized. As soon as components are installed, new elements are delivered on site, ensuring no delays in the workflow. Workers are actively inspecting and adjusting structural connections, particularly around beam junctions and support brackets. In the central part of the lateral section, work is ongoing on an elevated platform where multiple workers are assembling structural components. A crane is assisting in positioning these elements, likely preparing them for lifting and final installation. In addition to this, there is slightly more coordination visible compared to previous updates, with workers focusing on alignment and securing connections between different elements. Some components appear staged and ready, indicating that installation could follow soon after this preparation phase. Although no new major pieces have been installed here today, the visible assembly work indicates preparation for upcoming structural additions. At the corner section, there is significant progress related to the future installation of facade lamellas. The alignment guides previously used in this area have now been removed. This confirms that all anchor points and supports have been correctly aligned and finalized. With this step complete, the area is now fully prepared for lamella installation. Additionally, workers are active both at upper bracket levels and lower sections, carrying out inspections and final adjustments. Despite earlier delays in placing a specific phalange in this zone, overall progress continues smoothly in adjacent areas. In another nearby structure that was previously behind schedule, clear improvement is now visible. Several new beams have been installed, significantly advancing the framework. This section is gradually catching up, with steady beam placement helping to close earlier gaps in progress. At the same time, lamella panels have been delivered to the site and are being unloaded. These panels are likely staged for installation in the coming days, indicating that facade work will soon accelerate. At the north goal corner, major preparation work has been completed for lamella installation. Previously exposed white anchor bolts have now been fully painted, which is a critical finishing step before installing external elements. With painting completed in this section, it is now structurally and visually ready for the next phase. In addition, nearby sections are still undergoing painting, suggesting that this process is being completed gradually across the structure. This phased approach ensures consistency before lamella installation begins across the entire area. Meanwhile, lamella installation continues in the lower false ceiling area. Cranes and elevated platforms are actively lifting and placing panels, showing continuous progress in interior finishing. This combination of completed preparation above and ongoing work below highlights strong overall momentum in this zone. In the main north goal section, multiple construction activities are happening simultaneously. Workers are operating on piston structures using elevated platforms, focusing on adjustments and detailing at higher levels. This indicates ongoing refinement of mechanical or support systems integrated into the structure. Concrete work on vertical pillars is also progressing. Some pillars are fully completed, while others are still in the process of formwork removal or additional pouring. In this section, sandwich panel installation is also progressing. Several panels are already in place, while more are staged nearby, ready to be installed. Workers appear to be continuing the installation in phases, focusing on closing the remaining gaps. Although some sections are still incomplete, in the corner approaching the Tribuna side, recently installed vertical supports are visible. These supports are intended for future lamella installation. At this stage, there are no horizontal connections between these supports yet, indicating that this section is still in an early installation phase. Some cutting or grinding activity is also visible, likely related to fitting or adjusting metal components. At the Tribuna terrace, multiple elevated platforms are actively in use. Workers are spread across different levels, performing tasks on beams and structural surfaces. In this area, finishing work is underway. Workers appear to be scraping or preparing beam surfaces, likely as a pre-step before painting or coating. Additionally, structural framing continues around the diamond-shaped architectural feature, where metal profiles are being aligned and secured. This decorative and functional element is gradually taking its final form. In the final corner section, activity is focused on interior detailing and safety installations. Workers are installing protective netting and continuing surface preparation on beams. Similar to other areas, scraping and finishing work is visible, indicating preparation for painting or final treatments. There is also consistent movement of elevated platforms at different heights, showing that multiple tasks are being handled simultaneously. Some workers appear to be focusing on interior edges and beam connections, which suggests final detailing and safety checks are underway. Elevated platforms remain active at multiple heights, confirming ongoing work across different structural levels. Overall, the stadium continues to show steady and well-balanced progress across all sections, with clear advancements in the compression ring, ongoing preparation for lamella installation, and consistent finishing work in multiple zones. Structural gaps in previously slower areas are gradually being filled, while painting and detailing work is bringing several sections closer to completion. The combination of active installations, material readiness, and continuous on-site activity reflects strong momentum as the project moves forward into its next key phases.